Hello, my name is Mike. I'm with BestRugPrices.com, and it's my pleasure today to continue on with our Ask the Flooring Pro video series. I think this is episode number 9, and for those of you that don't know, what we're doing is we get asked floor covering questions every single day about all kind of different issues. It could be product questions, it could be cleaning and maintenance tips, it could be budgeting questions, how to save money. You name it, we get asked a question. And so what we're doing is we're taking some of these questions and we're making short videos and giving people our opinion and answer to each of these questions. And then we're posting them on our website at bestrugprices.com. It's called Ask the Flooring Pro. And our goal is really quite simple. If you have a floor covering question about an upcoming project or something, you can go to our site and use this section of our site as a resource for your project and scan our videos. And hopefully, we have a video about your question that will give you an answer. So the topic of this video is about vinyl plank, and people always want to know, is vinyl plank a good product for a basement? So the answer to this question, you should know that vinyl plank is probably one of the fastest growing products in the floor covering world. If you go into any floor covering store, there's going to be a large percentage of their showroom that's dedicated to vinyl plank and tile. And the reason they do that is because it is popular. Showroom space is very, very precious to stores, and they're going to display products that are selling. And vinyl plank is selling for a very good reason. That's because it's extremely popular, and one of the reasons that it is so popular is that this product is great for a basement. If you have a basement and you're concerned about water damage, or you don't want to put a carpet in the basement, vinyl plank is a great option for you. The product clicks together. A lot of times it's a do-it-yourself project. A lot of times it's professionally installed, but however you have it installed, it's a wonderful product to put in the basement. It's a fast installation. A lot of times, it goes very quickly. It's affordable. So the answer to the question, is vinyl plank a good product for basement? It absolutely is. It's one of the most popular products that people are putting in a basement, and I hope this helps relieve some of your tension if you're wondering about this question. So again, we're at bestrugprices.com. Please come visit us, take a look at our videos and some of our blog articles, and if you have a question, certainly present it to us on our website, and we can make a video about it. Thanks.